Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. It is officially day 2. We need to go change something over here. Let's do that right now. I'm gonna take this about like this. We're gonna, oh, hang on. That. And let's see. We got 99 days. All right. 99 days until LS Fest West Las Vegas. 99 days. All right, so I got the gussets finished up on these bad boys. Just actually kind of finished those up now. Let them cool off a little bit. It's got a bit of a mountain. I might do a little bit of cleaning up on them with the grinder. Just wanted to put a lot of material in there, make sure that they are going to stay put. I think while I'm letting them cool, I'm going to take a look at this. This is going to be the next one. This is the front end that I got. Again, I said it in another video, but Mustang 2 coilover crossmember kit from Paul Horton's Welder series. I'll put a link in the description. There's their website. They are out of Canada. They make these cross members that I'm going to use that are for Ford cars, Ford pickups, Chevys. Yeah, I mean, it's a lot of different applications. They use them mainly as front end conversions for some of the older vehicles. I'm doing it again because there was a lot of damage on the front of this car. I didn't feel like it would hold up to the amount of power I want to put on it. So that's why I'm putting these full rails underneath, and I'm going to the A-arm, tubular A-arm front suspension setup. I also feel like it'd be easier to tune that setup for the track. All right, I'm gonna go check this out. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I'm gonna work on cleaning these guys up a little bit, just so that they're more flat. Because I put a lot of material on there for the welds. The cross member, not gonna be able to work on yet because I got to do a lot of other things before I do that. I want to get these rails finished. When I get this one done, I'm gonna spray a little paint on where I ground and welded, and then I've got to start putting some cross beams in it to get it squared. And then once that's squared, then I'll figure out how to get it to the body, and then I can start working on the front end. So we got some work to do. So here we go. Okay, so wait a minute. Huh. All right. There you go here. There you go here. Whew. All right, so that's gonna be it for today. Gonna finish painting those up a little bit. I'm gonna eventually paint the whole rail, and because I'm still gonna have to weld on them and stuff like that, I'm just covering those spots up to protect them a little bit. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this month. So please share this with your friends. If you see value in it, don't forget, you're never too old. Do whatever you want. Just do it, right? See you tomorrow. Peace.